Those who have no desires attain everything. Those who, free from other thoughts, constantly meditate on me with unwavering devotion, to them who are ever steadfast, I carry what they lack and preserve what they have. This is from Bhagavad Gita. Some possess nothing, yet a regal bearing emanates from them. What is the true meaning of renunciation? It is relinquishing our limitations. Those who have made such a renunciation do not turn their attention to trivial matters. Everyone eagerly awaits happiness, but the afflictions of mine and I prevent it from being attained. As our thinking matures, we emerge from the narrow circles of hope, ego, and jealousy. Great souls have no attachment whatsoever to material objects. In a delirium caused by high fever due to excessive heat, the mind is unsteady and everything appears distorted. Similarly, when one has the fever of worldliness, reality appears perverse. Stopping work doesn't reduce the workload. Doing it skillfully makes it lighter. You should always perform your obligatory duties without attachment, meaning without expecting rewards. A person who performs actions without attachment gradually attains liberation. This is also from Bhagavad Gita. To achieve success in life, it is essential to strive together. For this, all aspects must cooperate. Merely having material wealth is not enough. True progress is achieved only when knowledge is added to it. We should not go near things that harm us. Anger, fear, envy, and ego depress us. Ego appears as a major flaw to be eradicated in human life. It originates from a narrow minded nature. We must get rid of these. We must recognize through silent thoughts and actions that the power to shape life lies within us. We should always try not to succumb to jealousy and discouragement. We should strive for our physical habits and mental attitudes to become complete and empowering. We must ensure that faith and sincerity are inherent in all our work. We should try to stay far away from despair and misfortune. Everything is offered to Sri Krishna. May all beings in the world be happy.